Did you know that India has a football team which is ranked 30th in the world? I'm not talking about ancient history or one day many years ago that this might have happened. I am talking about today. I'm talking about the Indian blind football team. Now, as you know, India is a country which is home to a lot of people who are visually impaired. But when it comes to visually impaired athletes, we've only heard a lot about the Indian blind cricket team who has achieved unparalleled success on the world stage, but not a lot about the Indian blind football team. Maybe it's because they were only structurally established in 2013. Now, before we get into that, let me first explain to you guys how the sport of blind football is actually played. Now, the rules differ from country to country, so I'm just going to give you a broad outline of how the sport is played. This is not a 11-a-side game. This is a 5-a-side game in which there are 4 outfield players and 1 goalkeeper. Now, the goalkeeper is allowed to be partially or completely sighted, but he has to remain in a specific area on the field. He cannot just wander out into the open field and dictate play. Now, there is one very important word that is associated with this sport. It is the word called voy, V-O-Y. It is a Latin word which means I am here. Now, this is a word that is used by the players to tell their teammates that I am here, you can pass me the ball, I am open in these spaces, you can send the ball over there. That is how they help their teammates who cannot really see where their teammates are. Now, the football that is used in this sports is also not a regular football. It consists of a ball bearing installed inside it, which makes a noise, chun 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 kind of a noise, which helps the player understand where the ball is at all times. In terms of gameplay, the pitch is divided into 3 halves: the defensive half, the midfield, and the attacking half. Now, the defensive half or the goalkeeper's area is controlled by the goalkeeper because he is sighted. So he organizes his defense. He tells the defenders where to go and where not to go and where to pass the ball and things like that. Now, in the midfield, the head coach is supposed to be stationed near the sidelines, and he is supposed to tell the midfielders where to go, how to move the ball forward, where to pass, and things like that. There is also a goal guide who is positioned right next to the opposition's goal post. Now, he guides his attacking players where they can shoot the ball, if they need to pass the ball, and things like that, all the aspects related to attacking gameplay. So this is the broad outline of how the game is played. Fascinating, really fascinating, isn't it? In terms of the scene, the blind football scene in India, it only became structured in 2013 when it was started in Kochi, and now slowly and steadily it has spread all across the country and is one of the most popular sports amongst the visually impaired population. Now, in 2019, this team finished 5th in the Asian Championship, and it was the first time in the history of the game that a team that is as low ranked as India managed to break into the top 5 of the Asian Championship. I mean, that itself deserves a standing ovation. In terms of Paralympic qualification, they narrowly missed out on qualifying for the 2021 Tokyo Paralympics, but 2024 Paris Paralympics is a very realistic goal for the players, for the coaches, and for everyone involved. And what a sight it will be to see this team compete at the global level and grab those eyeballs that the sport desperately needs. For you and me, I mean, the least we can do is support these players and help them achieve what they've set out to.